Today I'm going to be sharing a quick and easy DIY texture art. I've seen a lot of people doing variations of these over on Instagram and I wanted to try it out for myself. I went with this large plain canvas that I found in my local dollar store. If you are planning on using something similar, I suggest stuffing a towel or some paper between the canvas before applying the filler, otherwise the weight of the filler will settle around the frame and you'll end up with lines showing through, which I will show you later on in the video. The filler I used is this multi-purpose filler from Bunnings. I went with this one because it dries white, so I won't need to paint it. It does come with a little spatula, but I suggest using a painting knife instead. I bought this painting knife from my local art store and I find that they're a lot easier to work with and a lot more flexible. It was recommended to work in layers, allowing each layer to dry. This is meant to prevent cracking and something to consider if you are going to try this DIY. I unfortunately didn't know this before I started, so I did just apply all of the filler until the canvas was completely covered. It did crack in two small places, but you can really only see them if you're up super close to the canvas. So here you can see those lines that I mentioned earlier. This happens because of the weight of the filler. To fix this, I just waited until the filler was dry and then went over the lines with more filler. Once I was happy with how it looked, I left it to dry for 24 hours before hanging it up. This is the finished look. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and as you can probably tell, I prefer more of a minimalist vibe when it comes to my bedroom, and this artwork is perfect for adding a bit more character without it feeling too busy or loud.